Okay, now I would like to invite Chaitanya sir. Hello sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello sir. So as just now Saideshu sir and John sir discussed about what can be the reasons for continuous failures for most of the students. What's your thoughts? As I think you also went through the examination almost 4 times you cleared the prelims.
Yes, sir.
Right? But it's not the case for most of the aspirants. Some of them even they are daily expecting to clear
Yes.
their first prelims. So where students are failing?
In the sense, UPSC syllabus is vast. That is
Yes.
what the myth is. Actually, if you go to the crux of the matter, for preliminary examination, we have majorly 5 subjects, within which there are certain subjects in which, if we focus, there are ample chances of scoring high marks. The most important subjects of UPSC preliminary examinations are polity and econ. In the sense, we are not saying that other subjects aren't important or we shouldn't focus on them, but these 2 subjects are the most important. They are low hanging fruits. So firstly, what we have to do is we have to be thorough with this conceptual clarity with the subjects, these 2 subjects which have limited expanse of knowledge, in the sense it is not that broad when compared to history, etc. So firstly, we have to try to solve all the previous year questions related to these 2 subjects. Then we have to move on to the other subjects. So within the ocean, we have to try to find where these important stuff we are finding.
Okay, you're trying to say that we need to prioritize first.
Yeah. Like for example, we are trying to find pearls in the ocean.
Okay.
So these are like pearls.
Yeah.
Then you have to remember the prelims isn't just about these 2 subjects. You will get close to 30 questions from these 2 subjects, and you could easily clear 25 plus questions. Then we have geography, and we have to focus on geography as well, because it too is limited in terms of knowledge expanse. That is the requirement of the demand of the question. We have to read geography as well thoroughly. Then we have to move on to the other subjects like environment, history, etc. We have to remember that preliminary examination should be studied in such a manner that where these 5 subjects are also asked in mains examination, we have to prepare ourselves in such a manner that we could replicate in the mains as well. So with that perspective, if we go, prelims will be a child's play. Again, the one more important aspect that I would like to stress is, we again and again stress more upon the current affairs. But if you try to see the questions, most of the questions are on static part. Current affairs has to be focused. There is no doubt about it.
But behind that, what's the static component that we need to read?
Static component is the most important aspect. So we have to see where there are low-hanging fruits, and we have to see the returns on the time that we have spent on the subjects, and then we have to focus our preparation in a directed manner. Then there is a better chance of scoring high marks in the preliminary examinations.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.